Hello everybody again. Today I'm bringing you tutorial video on how to set up table of contents and all of those required for the evaluation reports or research reports, especially around table of contents that includes a list of abbreviation and acronyms, table of list of tables, list of figures, and executive summary. In Word document, it's quite easier because we are used to do in the Word document. However, in the Google Docs, it's slightly different to set up those all functions. You can see in my screen here, you can see table of contents, and that includes acknowledgement, list of abbreviation and acronyms, list of tables, list of figures, executive summary, and introduction, that way. So how to set up this? Let's go and see one by one. First, what you need to do is, like in the Word document, you need to select headings, whether you want to keep those in uh, first heading, first level heading, second level heading, third level heading, 4, 5, 6, likewise. So for the main sections like acknowledgement and this list of abbreviation and acronyms, list of tables, list of figures, we put it in a second level of headings. Now, what you need to do is, now first, executive summary, let's start with this. This is in second level heading. Likewise, key findings. This is in third level. Let's keep it that way. And this is the table. Maybe we can just make it. For now, it's in third level. It's all right. Maybe I can show you another table. Now this is table. Now what you need to do is, for the table, go here and set it in the heading 4. Heading 4. Likewise, you go to the list of figures and you make list of figures heading 5. Let's go and do it here. Here is one figure. And for the images and the figure that if you have drawn, then you make it to figure is heading 5. Now let's go up here in the table of contents. Now for our tutorial purpose, let's remove it. Let's completely remove that, and even this one. Let's remove, and we will start one after another. Okay. And let's remove this one too. Now let's create table of content here. For this, what you need to do is go to page setting and go to table of contents and hit any one of these. Now everything you see it here, right? And you also go into list of tables, and here also go from insert page elements and insert table of contents here as well, and we'll see how to fix that later. Here as well, go repeat the similar pattern, table of content, and then here. Now what you need to do is just right click here and say go to table of contents option. You click over here and you will see pop up here, formatting and heading labels. Now what I need to do is, because this section is about list of figures, and for the figures we chose only heading 5, so we just need to untick heading 4, heading 3, heading 2 and heading 1. Now only figures that we have created in our document will remain here. Likewise, in the list of tables as well, what we need to do is, now we remove table 5, remove heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and related to table, we have categorized under heading 4. Now you see here as well, only tables will appear in your table of contents. Now on the first table of content, now what you need to do, you need to repeat similar pattern as well. Right click here and go to table of contents options, and untick. Now you just need to tick level 1, untick level 5 and level 4, because we have included down already. So this is how you will be able to fix your table of contents, including list of tables and list of figures. And accordingly, for the page number setting as well, you can just go and you can choose start from this page or remove. But now I'm not going to talk about this, because this video will be longer if I start talking about page numbers in the same video. Please do like and share if you like this video. Thank you so much for your time and patience with me. Thank you.